Okay, here's a solution for the midterm for our critical path method or modeling. We have A of 3 days. We have B and C depending on A. D on B, E on C. F on D and E. And G on F. Okay, writing some times here. B is 3. C is 3. D is 4. C is 2. E is 2. F is 1. And 2 here. We'll do a quick early start, early finish. 0 to 3. Carry your 3. So activities B and C start on day 3. Starts on day 3, add to 3, you get 6. So it finishes on week 6. 3 and 3 is also 6. So far, nothing interesting is going on here. Everything's kind of in a tie. D is 4, so we bring the 6 over here. We add 4, we get 10. We bring the 6 over here. We add 2, we get 8. Now something's beginning to develop here because it's going to take longer to get through this upper root than the lower root. Okay, so F can't start on 8 because it's waiting for D at 10. So we use the 10. 10 and 1 is 11. Carry the 11, and it takes 13 days. Okay, so this is when you draw your network down here. There wasn't an explicit question about how many days, but it takes 13. So now we'll go back through this and do the late start, late finish. So 13 minus 2 is 11. Carry the 11 here. There's nothing to decide here. There's just one path. 11 minus 1 is 10. Okay, so what we're going to see that we can already tell that the A, B, D, F, G, A, B, D, F, G, that was going to be our critical path. But we have to go through and just check out some slack time here. So we're going to carry 10 to both D and E. That's our late finish time there. 10 minus 4 is 6. Anything on the critical path, which let me just change my color for a second here. So our critical path comes up through here. Okay, so A, B, D, F, G, A, B, D, F, G. Anything on the critical path, the early start, early finish times will be the same as the late start, late finish. There's no slack in there. Okay, so that's what we're saying. You can go through that. Once you get a feel for it, you can go through that relatively quickly. So we carry 6 back here. 6 minus 3 is 3. See, nothing's changing on our critical path. We carry, we'll wait here for a second, but pretty sure that we're going to drop our 3 into here because that's the critical path. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, let's come down through here because we have some slack. We're going to end up with some slack time here. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So see how we could start? The early start can start at 6. The late start can start at 8. So you can start at 6, 7, or 8. Day 6, 7, or 8. Get done in time for week 10 here to catch up to the other northern path, which is the critical path. That's the slack time. Okay, so we'll carry 8 back here. 8 minus 3 is 5. So again, we have 2 weeks of slack here. And we would, which we already did, we carried the 3 on the critical path back here because that's the limit. You have to think about that a bit, but that's the limit. We can't start, there's no slack in A3, we know that. It has to start at 0 and start at, or finish at 3, be ready for 3. So we have slack 1 and slack 2, and they have each 2 weeks of slack time. That's as complicated as it gets. I think that's all we had to do here, A, B, C. There you have it.